Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the review on the Douglas application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the search button down below, which is the second option. Tap on a category, then a subcategory, select a product you would like to give your review about, scroll down, tap on this last section, reviews. You should type in your name, then your email address should be added. After that, type in the title of your review, select from these options ranging from 1 to 5. After that, you should type in your review. So type in what you think about the product, and after that you should add the following numbers to be able to send your review, and after that click on the save button down below to send your review about this product. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.